How's it going, guys? Daniel here, and we're gonna go straight into unboxing of the Porcshe Design Mate 20. First thing you notice is it's twice as big as the regular Mate 20 or Mate 20 Pro box. You get a lot more stuff. You get two chargers, a UK and a European one, two USB cables, and a USB-C headphones. These charging bricks are 45 watts, just like the one in the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, so you will get that 70% charge in 30 minutes. And as you can see, all these accessories come in black instead of white like the regular Mate 20 Pros. It also comes with a flip style cover case. On the inside, it has this felt-like material so it won't scratch up your phone. And overall, it does feel premium. They do have a red one, but it's only available for the Chinese market. Now, the price of this phone starts off at $2,000, which is expensive. But keep in mind that this is not for the average consumer. It's someone that really wants this design, who wants the status and wants the best of the best speed, the best RAM. So overall, for an average consumer, this is way more than enough. My favorite design is how flush the camera is on the back, so when you lay it flat down on the table, it won't rattle around. The volume rocker and power button has the same location as the regular Mate 20 Pro, so it's all on the right side. On the bottom, there is a USB charging port and your SIM card tray. Now, using this phone is really fast from the 8 gigs of RAM, but using this as an everyday device for Facebook, web browsing, and YouTube videos, I can't really feel the difference of the performance from the Mate 20 Pro. It does come in 256 or 512 gigs of memory, so they are aiming for this product to be the only device that you need to carry everything you need. Keep in mind that you do get two types of chargers in this box, so they are expecting this person to travel a lot, and holding this device out of all of them, the Porcshe Design feels the best, especially given the leather on the sides. It gives me the best grip. So that was my unboxing of the Porcshe Design Mate 20 Pro RS. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.